Hey guys, come here for a minute. Do you want a moisturizer that doesn't cause any flare-ups, irritation, and also keep you moisturized? Let me tell you something. So today we're going to be making a moisturizer that is good for your skin, that doesn't cause any irritation, and that is good for all skin types. And it has all natural ingredients, and that's what we're going to be making today. Welcome to Curiously Organic with Free. I appreciate you joining me today, and don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't. The product that we're going to be making is a all natural moisturizer that is good for your skin, and the ingredients that we're going to be using, anyone, no matter what your skin type is, can use. Yeah, we're gonna go ahead and get started. Are you ready? I'm ready, and let's go. So how I keep this moisturizer light and airy is I reduce the amount of oils and butters by adding oats. The reason why I added oats is full of lipids and antioxidants that actually help repair the skin's natural barrier. As you can see, the oats are a powdery consistency, which helps mix well in this recipe. Just using 1 gram of oats can really boost the moisture in your moisturizer. It is suitable for all skin types, even people who have oily skin. If you want to know more about products that I used in this tutorial today, check out my blog below and it'll go over all the details for you. Compared to other body moisturizers, this has a lower butter to oil ratio because we don't want to take the chance of clogging your pores. Grape seed oil is a very good oil to use mainly in face creams because it is full of antioxidants and it is light when it comes to oil. It's kind of like a dry oil, and it doesn't clog the pores. It's very good for all skin types, whether you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin. So butters are a solid oil, which is an important part of making the moisturizer. Butters help also stabilize the recipe, and it helps form a physical barrier on the skin to help lock in the moisture on your skin. Now I chose avocado butter because it's rich in nutrients and it is a light butter out of shea butter, mango butter, and cocoa butter. If you have a butter that you're using that works well for your skin, you can definitely use that butter. Just keep the measurements the same and continue on with the recipe. I'm going to put these into a pot over a gentle heat to melt all of our ingredients. Once everything is melted and at the same temperature, then they will be ready to combine together. Once at the same temperature, I'm going to pour these in together and mix them together at the same temperature by using a whisk or a frother to make sure everything is mixed well. this entire recipe makes about 200 grams of face cream. So you can scale this recipe up or down however you need to. However, I don't always recommend that you make large batches of face creams or lotions, because even store-bought lotions and creams, if you notice on the back, it is only good for 6 to 12 months, okay? But yeah, you know, you make it to how much you need it for. This entire project was about 80% of water, so it doesn't take many ingredients to make a lotion or cream. Also, and it's very moisturizing, and you know what's in it, okay? So that's the beauty of making your own skincare products. So guys, this is the first step of taking control of your skincare needs, because you know exactly what you need, what you're looking for, and what your skin needs. This works well with the face cleanser also that I make. I will be doing a video on that pretty soon here, so make sure you turn on your notifications so that way you can stay informed. And you guys, I really appreciate tuning in today, and I will be talking to you soon. All right, bye.